Hello Ganofinians, this is your Ganofins here and welcome back to Bugzilla tutorials guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the bug filing page. I will give you some brief details about all of these things, about all of the things which are present on that page. So this is a file a bug page, and here you can see the details you have to fill when you have to file a bug. So let's talk about first of all about the summary, our great summary thing. This is the summary field. It is a one sentence summary of the problem which is displayed in the header next to the bug number. It is similar to the title of the bug that gives the user an overview of the bug. Now let's talk about the status field. Status and resolution, you can also say that these define status of the bug. It starts with even being before being confirmed as a bug, then being fixed, and fix being confirmed by quality assurance. The different possible values for status and resolution on installation should be documented in the context sensitive help for those items. Status supports unconfirmed, you can see here confirmed, in progress, and there may be other status like as resolved, rejected. Now let's talk about the alias field here. It An alias is a unique short task name for the bug which can be used instead of bug number. It provides the unique identifiers and help to find the bug. In case of bug ID is not handy, it can be useful while searching for a bug. Now let's talk about that product and component field here. Product. Bugs are divided by products and components. A product may be have one or more components in it. It helps to categorize the bug and helps in segregating them as well. Now let's talk about this version field here. This version field usually contains the numbers or names of the released versions of the product. It is used to indicate the versions affected by the bug report. Now let's talk about the hardware field here. It is the platform and OS. These indicate the tested environment or the operating system where the bug was found. It also gives out the details of the hardware like RAM, hard disk size, processor, all of these things. Now let's talk about the priority and severity field. Severity. The priority field is used to prioritize the bugs. It can be updated by the assignee business people or someone else from the stakeholders with the authority to change. It is good idea not to change this field on other bugs which are not raised by a person. The default values here you can see there are 5 different priorities for a particular bug you can set it on your. Now let's talk about the severity field. The severity field indicates how severe the problem is, from blocker application unusable to trivial. User can also use this field to indicate whether a bug is an enhancement or feature request. The common supportive severity status are blocker, critical, major, normal, minor, trivial, enhancement. Now let's talk about the assigned to field. This assignee. A bug is assigned to a person who is responsible to fix the bug or can check the credibility of the bug based on the business requirement. And this is the Q&A field. The person responsible for quality assurance on this bug, it may be the reporter of the bug to provide more details if required or can be contacted for retest that detect once it is fixed. And now let's talk about this URL field guys. A URL associated with the bug if any. And here this is the keywords field. The administrator can define keywords that can be used to tag and categorize bugs, for example, crash or regression. This is the depends on field, dependency you can say. Uh, if a bug cannot be fixed as some other bugs are opened or this bug stops other bugs for being fixed, their numbers are recorded here. This is also a similar field like as these two things. Well, these were the most important things which you need to fill while filing a bug or while submitting a bug. So always remember to fill these things. Okay, let me tell you more about these fields, remaining fields. Here you can see this CC list field, a list of people who get mail when the bug changes in addition to the reporter, assignee and QA contact if enabled. This is the C also field. Bugs in this Bugzilla, other Bugzilla or other bug trackers, those are related to this one. This is origin estimated. This field shows the original estimated time. This deadline fields. This field shows the deadline for this bug. This is the attachment area. A user can attach files to bugs if there are any attachments. They are listed in this section. This is bug ID field. This bug ID field is for the installation of Bugzilla. This is the comment field. Here you can add comments. A user can add comments to the bug discussion here if user tester has something worthwhile to say. These are the flags. A flag is a kind of status that can be set on bugs or attachments to indicate that the bugs attachments are in a certain state. Each installation can define its own set of flags that can be set on bugs or attachments. Here you can see the flags request field. These were the things which you need to fill while filing a bug. Well, I hope you understood about filing the bug completely. You understood everything on this filing a bug page. If you have any question or query regarding to anything of on this page, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Well, thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting updates with my channel. Don't forget to hit that red button. Also subscribe to my gaming channel which is known as Gaming with Ganofins. Thank you guys.